Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hashtag Sweet Caroline, at mag-bake tayo ng sariling cake dito sa I Did It Myself Bakery. So dito, pipili ka ng mga sarili mong design. So let's welcome Francis, Hillary, and Clive, ang aking mga pamangkin, dahil sila ay gagawa ng kanilang cake. Sila ay pumili ng kanya-kanyang design at sundan natin ang step-by-step na kanilang ginagawa.
Okay.
Yan. Nakita nyo, merong working area at ito naman ang mixing area. Ayan, abalang-abala sila, di ba? They have their own tablets for the instructions. So, ayan, minimix na nila ang kanilang ingredients.
6 dapat, no?
For 5 minutes. Yung letter M, pag napunta na sa 5, patayin lang. Pamatayin lang. Para lang.
Ayan. Meron naman ding tumutulong o nag-a-assist kung paano mag-operate ng mga equipment.
Did you do it yourself? Yeah, I did it myself.
Yes,
What are you making?
cake.
What kind of cake?
Unicorn.
Unicorn cake. You have to put na. Okay, then close.
Ayan.
Okay. That's Hillary's cake. Okay. Hillary's cake is now baking. Okay, bring it there. Okay. You need 90 grams pa.
Ang maganda dito, may mga actual ingredients talagang magagamit at kailangan ang tamang sukat as per instruction. At talagang magagawa nila step by step ang process ng baking. At nakalagay naman sa instruction kung saan nila kukunin ang mga materials.
Because it's hot pa. What are you getting? Chocolate filling. Okay. Come on, squeeze it. Yan. Dami pa yan eh. Oh.
Ayan, tapos mag-cool down ang dough. Ito na, ang fun part, ang pagde-decorate. Dito, very excited na sila. Habang ginagawa nila ang procedure, they learn how to focus. At isa pa, okay lang magkamali dahil lahat ng pagkakamali naman na itatama.
Turn.
At dito naman, they learn to be very creative sa design. Actually, after paying the cost of the cake, plus design na yan, sila na ang gagawa nilang sariling design. But may mga suggested naman. Ito naman ang finished work ni Francis. Ito naman ang cake ni Clive.
I made the cake.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, let's show. What kind of cake did you do?
Wow.
Okay, turn it. Turn.
At ito naman ang kay Hillary. Super enjoy, pati nga ako nag-enjoy sa paggawa ng cake. At isa pang exciting part ay ang paggawa ng milk tea. DIY din ito.
Shake mo, shake. One lang ah, one scoop. Ang enjoy kasi ikaw lang. Wala tayong kasabay.
Pwedeng mag-upload ng aming pictures at kahit anong pictures na gusto mo sa finished product.
Funny yan. You'll never drink it. It's your picture on it.
O ayan, all smile sila, 'di ba, sa kanilang drink or DIY milk tea experience. At ang dalawang bagets naman na ito, ayan, very excited sa milk tea before matapos ang kanilang cake. So there you go, masaya dito sa I did it myself. So kids can learn creativity, focus, and math skills. So tara na, kids and adults, pwedeng-pwede. For questions, comment down below. Mga ka-sweets, follow, like, share, and subscribe. Hashtag Sweet Caroline.